process is that from the time we get our first call, we are usually out at their house talking to them within 1 or 2 weeks. That's our first site visit. After that, we're going to be working on their initial quote. That'll typically take another 1 or 2 weeks. And then if they accept it, then we follow it up with a second site visit to further dial in and firm up certain parts of the plan. Usually it gives them a chance to ask some more questions and iron out details. That'll take another 1 or 2 weeks. And then at that point, we schedule it. And so we're collecting a deposit and we're putting them on the schedule. And depending on the time of year, it could be anywhere from 1 month out to 3 months out, sometimes further. Sometimes we can get in the schedule immediately because maybe they happen to be somebody right next to an existing job. And so we're already there. We can go ahead and get it done real quick. If it's a small job, we can fit it between a couple of the larger jobs. So it's just a matter of communicating and seeing what the factors are. And so, but I typically am telling folks it's 1 to 2 months of waiting time.